In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to level up fast in Flashpoint Worlds Collide. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna go over some of the main methods that will allow you to gain a lot of XP in the most efficient way possible. The very first one that you should always do is to follow these people here. So when you join the experience, you can turn to the left and you will find free XP boost. In here, you need to follow these three people, and by joining the community as well, you get a 5% EXP boost. So do all of these tasks and you will get a 20% EXP boost overall. I'm not going to do this during the recording because I want to just cover the entire process, but you will follow them on your own time, join the group, and then click on verify. You should have the 20% active. The next thing to do is to go into the AFK world. So you walk over here, you join the AFK world, and as the name suggests, you will just go AFK, or you can go play something else. You just let this run, and after a couple of hours, you will amass the most amount of EXP boost possible. So wait for this loading to finish, and you will just stay here. So as you can see, after 6 hours, you will have 200% EXP and cash multiplier. After every minute or so, you will get a specific reward, or rather progress towards that reward, so you just sit here and keep waiting. You can change your suits from here as well if you prefer, and just let this run. Of course, I'm not going to sit here for 6 hours for the video alone. So now you will have 200% multiplier from the AFK world, plus the bonus from following all of those people and joining the group. Besides this, it is mostly going to come down to using active codes, so whenever there is a code released on the group or on YouTube videos, make sure to redeem them quick because they often expire very fast. And besides this, it's mostly down to playing the game and completing quests. Make sure to level up your character, so level up your damage, level up your health, and you will be able to outrun all of the enemies and complete all of these tasks and quests. It is simple to do. You just have to make sure that you have all of those multipliers active as much as possible. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.